Hello everybody, welcome to Ukleid International, and today we'll see that how a manufacturing fault was left in this puffer jacket, and after a few washes that you can see this puffer jacket left the quilt from here, and the quilt ducked either this side on this side or ducked or either on that side. Sometimes it goes downward, and you can see this is filled areas. It is still working good, but as you can see this area, this pocket, I must say this pocket is empty and without quilt. Now, as a manufacturing expert, what was the fault? What was the manufacturing fault that was left? That is what we are going to discuss today to train our new and emerging brands and entrepreneur from the West who want to learn that how to check, how to give instruction to the manufacturing company or your manufacturer. In this way, you will have a long-lasting puffer jacket, and that means that your customers will be happy, and if your customer is happy, definitely you are happy. So when this puffer jacket was stitched, it was not followed, the pattern was not followed as the basic principle of making or manufacturing a puffer jacket. Now, what is the real process? As you can see, every puffer jacket has been divided into smaller parts, and the real process is to cut and adjust the filling, either it is a quilt or whatever, according to these pockets separately, and then that lining of quilt is adjusted in these pockets separately. This is the real process, but most of the manufacturer, just for the sake of saving their time, saving their energy, saving their labor, they just cut the quilt lining as a whole and then adjust it straightway, and then they stitched it from here. Apparently, when it is new, it has a bulges here, and it seems that okay, it is fine, but after a few washes it will go like this. This pocket can be emptied, this pocket anywhere, even from the front, and now this area is useless to hold back the chill, to hold back a snowy weather, to hold back cold. So this is the real process, that each pocket must be filled separately, and the lining must cut according to this size. Like if I can divide in this jacket, what 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 long stripes we need to fill these pockets, instead of stitching the lining as a whole and then give some seams over it to give a look that it is separately filled, but in fact it was not separately filled, and that is why it happened. I hope so you can understand and you learn a lot. Next, in our next video, we'll see that what is a good way to choose a puffer jacket, and what things you must add in your new puffer jacket to keep that jacket more comfortable. Thank you so much. Wait for the next video.